what's on the general ledger, our main account. That's going to be the prior amount, which is now 0, plus the sum of the current activity. So that should tie out to 1,400 once we add the balances. Let's do the balances, which is just going to be equal to the sum of the prior balance plus the current activity. Is that? I'm going to copy that and paste it across. Paste it 1, 2, 3. Paste it, not 1, 2, 3. Dang it. Undo. Paste the formulas. Formulas only. Paste the formulas. And then paste the formulas. Okay? So there is that. So let's copy this down. This is going to be the balance equals the balance. Copy this down. Boom. Copy this down. Boom. Copy this down. Boom. Underline it, holding down Control to select the non-adjacent cells. Home tab, font group, underline. All right. So the transaction was an increase to assets, increase to equity, new balance, 53,000 assets, 53,000 in equity. So now let's say that we receive the payment on something like 415. So we receive the payment. However that happens, electronic transfer would be most likely how it might be happening.